High above the Arizona landscape, a story is etched in stone and steel. This is Humphreys Peak, a mountain that holds more than just the record for the state's highest point. Help us out, click and subscribe for more history and drone flights. For the Navajo, this is WWII, the sacred western boundary of their ancestral homeland, a place whose summit they say never melts. To the Hopi, it's known as Tukwi, a vital center for ceremony and spiritual connection. These peaks are not just land. They are a living part of ancient cultures. Reaching 12,637 feet into the sky, the trail to the summit is a journey through time. You climb past sprawling alpine meadows, through groves of ancient, twisted bristlecone pines, and over fields of dark volcanic rock. This entire mountain is a geological marvel, the remnant of a massive stratovolcano that once dominated the horizon. It is part of a volcanic field that has seen over 600 eruptions stretching back millions of years, shaping the very ground we walk on. As you make your way up, you might notice something peculiar. Strange textured rocks, often called dragonstones, are scattered along the path. Are they just a unique trick of erosion, or could they be something more? Perhaps artifacts from a culture long since vanished? The mountain doesn't give up its secrets easily, leaving us to wonder about the mysteries held within its slopes. But there's one story here that isn't hidden. On September 15, 1944, tragedy struck these high altitudes. A U.S. Army Air Force's B-24 Liberator, flying on a routine training mission, crashed just below the summit. Today, fragments of the aircraft still lie scattered among the rocks, a stark and silent memorial to the crew who lost their lives. This wreckage serves as a powerful reminder, a piece of World War II history resting at the roof of Arizona. Humphreys Peak is so much more than a challenging hike. It's a place where sacred traditions meet geological wonder, and where the echoes of history linger in the thin mountain air. It is a testament to the enduring power of nature and the stories that become part of the landscape itself. If you found this story as fascinating as I do, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Share it with someone who loves history and adventure, and let's keep exploring the hidden stories that surround us. Thanks for watching.